Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 12.2 area related to circle onward, question number 6. So we have question number 6. In this question it has been said that a chord of a circle of radius 50 cm, subtend and angle 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle, and using the value of pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to 1.73. Okay. So dear children, basically in this question we have said a circle of radii, okay, a circle having radius 15 centimeter, okay, this is 15 centimeter, subtend angle 60 degree, okay, the angle subtend 60 degree at the center. Then find the area of the minor and major segment. Okay, so we have to ask find the area of this minor segment, and also we have to ask find the area of the major segment. Okay, this is the area of major segment. This is major. Okay, this is major segment. Okay, so we have to given us radius of a circle which is equal to 15 centimeter and angle subtend by radius of a circle at the center which is equal to theta equal to 60 degree. Then we have to ask find minor and major segment. Okay, so we know the formula to finding the major segment of a circle. So this is equal to minor segment area of minor segment. Okay, this is area minor segment is equal to theta upon, okay, segment equal to theta upon 360 pi r square minus r square sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, this is the formula to finding the area sector, okay, area segment. So area minus segment equal to theta 160 pi r square and r square sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now I am going to substitute over here the value of theta and radius r. So this expression become 60 degree upon 360 into the value of pi. Here use 3.14 into radius r is 15 centimeter. Okay, so this is 15 centimeter into, only write 15 into 15 minus again radius r is 15 into 50 and this is sin theta by 2. Theta is 60 divided by 2 is 30 degree. So this is sin 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Okay, so here we can cancel 0 0 from numerator and denominator, and 36 also cancel by 6 in 6 times. Okay, and here 50 is cancel, 6 and 50 will also be cancelled by 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15, and 3.14 would also be cancelled from 2. This is 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, and 2 7 is 14. Okay, 2 1 is 2, carry 1, 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14, and remaining we are left 1.57 into 5 into 15 minus, this is 15 into 15, 225 into value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 into cos 30 is 3 by 2. This is centimeter square. Okay, now multiply 1.57 into 5 into 15. So we will get the total value of this quantity, that is 117.75. Okay, minus, and this is 225 into value of 173 divided by 4 centimeter square, and again this is 17.75 minus, and to simplify 225 into 1.73 divided by 4, so we will get overall value of this expression 3125 centimeter square. Okay, and after simplification this is 97.13125 subtract from 170 minus 75. So we will get 4375 centimeter square. Okay, 20.4375 centimeter square. This is the area of minus segment. Okay, area of the minus segment of a circle. Okay, so we have to find first part of this question, area minus segment, and also we have to find the area major segment. So we know the area major segment is find by using formula area of minor major segment. Okay, area major segment is finding out by the area circle minus area minor segment. Okay, area circle minus area minor segment. find out are calculated by area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, so we know the formula area of circle, this is pi r square minus area of minor segment. We have find out this is 20.4375. Okay, here pi is 3.14 and radius r is 15. So this is 15 into 15 minus 204,375 centimeter square. Now multiply 3.14 by 15 into 15. So we will get 70625 minus 20.4375 centimeter square. Now subtract 20.4375 from 706.25. Okay, so we will get 0625 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area major segment, and here this is the area minor segment. So dear children, this is the required answer of question number 6. Okay, means area minor segment and area major segment. Okay.